Finding your iPhone battery life shorter than expected can certainly be frustrating. There are a few common causes of shortened battery life, including high screen brightness, location services overuse, aging batteries, and buggy apps draining power in the background. Identifying and troubleshooting the specific battery drain culprit is key to restoring normal battery runtime. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Lower the screen brightness. To conserve battery life on your iPhone 14, it's best to reduce the screen brightness. Simply go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and adjust the brightness slider to around 50% or lower. Avoid maxing it out unnecessarily. By turning down the screen brightness, you'll significantly improve the battery efficiency of your iPhone 14. Disable background app refresh. When apps refresh data in the background, it can cause significant battery drain. Disable background app refresh for apps you don't need updating all the time. To manage your app's background activity, navigate to Settings, then General, and finally, Background App Refresh. From there, you can turn off any apps that don't require constant background activity. Preserving battery life can be achieved by limiting the background app refresh feature to only essential apps. Turn off location services when not needed. Having location services turned on when not in use can drain your battery as it continuously searches for your position. If you are not currently utilizing it, it is recommended that you turn it off. To do so, navigate to the Settings menu, then select Privacy and Security, followed by Location Services. Finally, toggle the switch to disable this feature. Disabling location services when not actively in use avoids battery trickle drain. Disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. To conserve battery life, it's best to disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when they're not in use. You can easily turn them off from the control center. To turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in the control center, simply tap the icons. This will disable them until you need to use them again to connect to devices or networks. Reducing the usage of wireless radios that are not being utilized can help decrease the amount of power being consumed in the background. Update to the latest iOS version. To optimize your iPhone 14's battery life, it's important to keep the iOS version up to date. Check for any available updates and install them. To check for the latest iOS release, you can go to Settings, then General, and select Software Update. Download and install the update to experience better battery life. Apple often includes fixes and enhancements for battery performance in their iOS updates. Following these tips should help resolve shorter than normal iPhone 14 battery life by reducing power-hungry features and keeping software optimized. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.